This is the Jamal. The INKEE Falcon is designed for modern content creators. It is a motorized electronic stabilizer that is easy to use, yet greatly improves the quality of your shoots. The stabilizer can control camera shoots wirelessly via a wireless connection with the camera. It is compatible with the GoPro series Still 9 and other action cameras. INKEE Falcon 3-axis gimbal video stabilizer 4 action camera is available in $82.94. So let us place an order and enjoy the unboxing. The GoPro Hero 9 Black action camera with Falcon 3-axis gimbal mounts easily with one screw. It has different modes, and the first mode is pan following mode, and in this mode you can use the controller to move from up to down or left to right. The other mode is pan or tilt following mode, and the controller gives you the ability to move in all directions. On the left side of the gimbal we have a time-lapse mode that takes photos at 1 or 2 seconds intervals. Then we have the shooting mode, which is directly connected to the GoPro Hero 9 Black. INKEE Falcon 3-axis gimbal gives you the ability to rotate 180 degrees from top to bottom or left to right. The grip is a bit too small for my hand and it is a bit difficult to film, so there is an option to mount a mini tripod which comes in a box, and it is very useful while vlogging. There is a button on the back of the Falcon 3-axis gimbal that allows you to center the camera position with a single click. Double click this button to rotate the camera 90 degrees, which is a wonderful option for quick shots. Here we have a variety of shooting options like time-lapse, video recording and photo mode. Make shooting product photos and videos easily with INKEE Falcon 3-axis gimbal, and I use GoPro 9 Hero Black with it. The stabilizer can control camera shoots wirelessly via BT wireless connection, built-in 2500 mAh large capacity battery that can be charged via the included USB Type-C charging cable, long operating time and fast charging. The motorized gimbal is a useful tool for vloggers to capture smooth and dynamic footage while vlogging. Falcon 3X is to make the video more stable and the brushless motor is responsive. I love the 360-degree panning when vlogging and also the smooth recording of videos. The INKEE Falcon 3X gimbal is widely compatible with all kinds of action cameras available in the market. If you are looking for best video resolution and image stabilization at the same time, the 3-axis gimbal like INKEE Falcon is perfect choice for you. It is available in $82.94 and I put the links down below in the video description. If you are looking for best RGB light, click on this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
How to keep the